We are in the era of agentic AI. We are not just building the chatbots anymore. What we are building is an autonomous system, a system which can plan, reason, remember, should be able to use tools, and correct its own errors. Python got all the hype, but guess what? Running the enterprise, it's Java. An industry is looking for developers who can bridge the gap between heavy duty enterprise backends and cutting edge agentic workflow. And for this, we are coming up with this course called Mastering Agentic AI in Java. This is a live course starting from 14th of June, and this will be a weekend batch, Saturday and Sunday. You can check out the timings here. Now, in this course, we are going to start from the foundations because the foundations are important. Then we'll move towards Spring AI because that's what is needed for the Spring Boot. Apart from Spring AI, we also have Google ADK and LangChain for J, which will make you a complete agentic AI Java developer. Check out the course page for more information. See you in the course, everyone. Bye-bye.